Restored as needed and still largely original, this Pontiac is an excellent way to begin your journey into the collector car or muscle car lifestyle. And if you're already a member of our esteemed ranks, it's a solid, honest cruiser that promises plenty of fast and memorable weekends. Sold new by Willis Motor Company of North Canton, Ohio, this slick poncho wears correct sterling silver paint that, in addition to being well maintained, has been professionally refinished as needed. A big part of the car's fantastic appeal is its status as an authentic Firebird formula, and accordingly, there's plenty of visual sizzle. At the leading edge of this old-school pony, a prominent Screaming Chicken badge splits a clean Pontiac-branded grille, which centers ornate parking lamps between stainless-trimmed headlamps and the second rendition of Pontiac's famed urethane bumper. Open the doors and you'll find a correct black interior that appears 100% original to the car. At the center of that cockpit, factory seats are clean and crack-free. In front of those seats, a wood-trimmed dash hangs optional rally gauges above an optional Delco AM/FM radio. Below that dash, a long console frames a short shifter, and the driver turns a Formula steering wheel. Befitting the Firebird's origins as Pontiac's more approachable pony car, this classy coupe draws motivation from the brand's proven but spirited Pontiac 350. Behind that storied power plant is an original turbo-hydromatic 353 speed that drives a standard 10-bolt axle. Whether you're a die-hard Pontiac fan or just a new enthusiast looking for a great first collector car, this formula is a great fit. Featuring timeless style and authentic Pontiac power, this classic turns plenty of heads without breaking the bank. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.